Hey guys, welcome back to the 1 minute review. I'm doing a quick review here on a Braun razor. If you have a Braun razor and I have a Sport Plus, there's all different ones, Braun 1, the Braun razor series 9. A lot of times these blades have to be changed, and that's just unfortunately the way it goes. And they're not cheap, and I don't buy the aftermarket ones. They don't work. I don't like them. They don't cut well. They're not high quality blades. So I always buy the Braun blades directly from Braun online, so I'll definitely check them out. This one I just got in a day or two, no problem. I ordered it. So much easier than running to the store, honestly. This is for the 9 Pro Plus, but honestly, they're really cross-compatible with a lot of them. This is just a Series 9 Sports Plus, so pretty much the same. Different little color head. This has the black head with the silver. This is all silver. Let me open this up. I want to show you what it looks like. I just already pre-opened it, so I wanted to show you what it looks like. It's exactly the same head. You can see here, comparisonly, head to head, they're pretty much exactly the same. I don't see much of a difference. The difference is just has the black. I'll take this head off and I want to show you. It just has the black. This one, I'll turn this around. Actually, this says S9 Pro Plus. You can see that there, and mine just says Series 9, but honestly, this does work on that one as well. So, and I think maybe it's a better quality head. I don't really know if there's much of a difference. The build looks about the same inside, plastic, everything is what it is. This feels to be a little bit better. The metal, I like the all metal look to it versus the black plastic. I like the metal look, and it does snap on and it does fit right. So let me show you. And I like this look better personally, how it looks on here. We just get a better shot so you can see. And I like it, and it does work. It just no problem. I just know it's going to work fine because I've had this before. So I just want to make a quick video. So this Pro 9, I'm definitely going to recommend this for sure. I definitely recommend sticking with Braun. I've tried all different razors over the years, and I happen to be a Braun fan. So definitely pick this up, guys. Don't be afraid. Don't be nervous. Don't buy the aftermarket ones. I don't care if you're going to save 20 bucks. It ain't worth it. Buy the brand, buy directly, and don't have to worry. I change my head once a year, once 8 months, around there approximately. So depending on how much you use it and how often you shave, does depend, of course. But it is a high quality blade and a high quality shave, and I'm a big fan of the Braun. So that's what I have for you guys. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Leave me some comments down below. There'll be an affiliate link. I do get a small commission, just to be fair and transparent. And they did not send this to me. I bought it with my own money, and that's how much I love their product. So that's no issue, and it will cost you nothing if you go ahead and purchase it. Just help support my channel, and I do appreciate it on my end. So hope you learned something. Definitely don't be afraid to pick up some different compatibility issues. I don't think it's an issue at all. Here are the different looks, and it's actually going to work just right. And I like actually the all silver look on this one much, much better. Just for personal preference, really no other reason. All right, guys,